Handy Andy, back at it with another one, folks. We're looking at 5 different plasma arc lighters from Sizzle. Now, lighters have gone electric and these ones are no exception. So they use a high voltage plasma arc instead of a flame, and they're rechargeable. Are they any good? Well, we're about to find out. Sit back, relax, get your popcorn ready, folks, and cue in the intro. So let's begin by looking at the largest of the 5, and this one they call the Extender by Sizzle. And it has a power button right in the middle, super easy to operate. You press that ignites the plasma arc on the other side. There is, however, a power button right there. Turn that on before it operates. It's kind of a safety feature, I guess, with micro USB charging. It extends, and that's what you see right there, a retractable shaft that extends up to 49 centimeters. Makes it super easy to light things from afar. It could be candles, it could be like lamps or whatever, or even a barbecue. Nice and safe, and that power button, after a certain period of time, it will automatically shut off. So you always have to turn that on before operating it, which is a great safety feature. Here I'm trying to show you the arc, but it's kind of hard to do on camera. But in between there, when you press the button, is a high voltage arc from each side of those prongs. You just put something in the middle in between there, and that heat is going to ignite whatever it is and start a fire rather than a flame itself. Cool thing about this is that it has that retractable hook on the back. And so that's going to make it super easy to, put on your barbecue or just hang nearby. Up next, we have the Pitmaster, and they call this the Pitmaster for good reason, because it's supposed to light your barbecues, whether it's charcoal or propane. Also has a hook on the bottom, and that makes it super easy to connect and keep close to your barbecue. This one, when you press that button down, it retracts up the prongs and then it starts in operation. So you can't really see the prongs without it being in operation, and it's a great safety feature. Super simple design. I like the size of it. Definitely can replace those other types of lighters. This one's called the Sleek, made for indoor use, has a power button on the bottom along with the micro USB. Don't know why they come with micro USB. They should be USB-C, but look how beautiful this is. It's got a really nice, elegant look. Keep this in your dining room. Use it to light up candles and other things during celebrations and what have you, like birthday candles. Kids will love it. Looks sleek, much better than a Bic lighter. Also, micro USB charging on the bottom with that hook. This one is for camping enthusiasts. If you're in the great outdoors, you're going to want this. It's called the Survival. Has an LED light on one end. So it also has a strobe function and a light function. So they call it Survival for good reason. Press that button, it retracts open. There's a 2x2 prong system. So you got 2 arcs coming out of there. Makes it super easy and reliable to light up things like kindling when you're out in the backcountry. Just overall, if you're out like and about outside, something like this is going to perhaps save your life. Really like it, super light. You can take it with you everywhere you go. Lastly, we have the Flare, and they call this the Flare for good reasons. It's kind of got like that old Frenchy nightclub look. It's like a modern day Zippo. Has a nice wide arc on there. So something like a cigarette, you're going to be able, or a joint, you should be able to power up. It's got the charging on the bottom, nice LED indicators for the power on the side, plus the power button. Press that. Beautiful arc. This thing works really well. Here we go and test the Extender. I have my barbecue on. I want to get the one burner on the side lit, just that one. So I'm using the Extender. I could never do this otherwise. So I'm using the Extender, see if I could actually reach that far. And sure enough, it did. I'm going to grab the camera here to try to show you. I'm going to zoom in. If you look in where that hole is, you can kind of see that the flame is on. So something like that is perfect for barbecues, and it's electric, so you can recharge it all the time. So let's go ahead and take the Sleek and try to light up a candle and see how it works. Again, super easy. The thing is, that wax, if that wax gets on those prongs, that's going to affect the operation. They said you can do about 100 times on a single charge. So that's pretty remarkable, but it only has a 2-year lifespan. So it doesn't even matter if you use these kind of lighters. Here we have the Pitmaster. Doesn't matter if you use them or don't use them. They're going to die in 2 years. So they have a shelf life of 2 years. So that's kind of my only con. But man, to light things up, it's so easy. 100 uses before you need to charge it again. So they recommend charging maybe about once a month just to make sure that it has that full charge. But you basically got 2 years to use this. So it is kind of disposable in that sense that you only have a 2-year lifespan. But Much better than the typical Bic lighters that we have. It's safer, it's more environmentally friendly. I just like the fact that you can charge it. So which one is right for you? Well, I like all of them. I'd probably go with the Survival or the Flare just because of the nice kind of look. It would definitely be a conversation starter. Hope you enjoyed this review. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy. Be sure to go to my website, handyandymedia.com for more information, and be sure to subscribe, leave your comments below, and we'll see you again next time, folks.